One of the things that takes me back to memory lane is food, and this okra and egusi soup is one of them. It was always cooked by my uncle, and it reminds me of him anytime I'm making or eating this. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this yummy and delicious okra and the egusi soup. Let's get started. So here I have my egusi and the okra. I have my well peeled egusi. This is about 2 cups of egusi and the fresh okra. And these are about 500 naira worth of okra. So to cook this soup, we're going to start by boiling our protein. I'll be using some beef and the goat meat. To cook the meat, I'll add some chopped onions, salt and the seasoning cube. Then I'll stir and mix together, cover and allow it to steam for some minutes before adding water to it. After adding water, I'll stir again, cover and then allow it to cook until the meat is well cooked or at least 90% cooked. And while that is going on, we'll now go ahead and prepare the egusi, okra and the other ingredients. So I'll start by grinding my egusi. Next, I'll add a little bit of salt and about a cup of water or more to the egusi and mix together because I want the egusi to be somehow lumpy. It's going to be lumpy egusi with okra. So keep watching. I'll set this aside and go ahead and cut my okra. And for the records, I'm not lefty. I wasn't using left hand. I was actually using my right hand. But this is the front camera. Because I'm using front camera, it turned my right to left and left to right. I'm also done with cutting the okra. The meat is done and I've also prepared all the other ingredients. So let's go into the cooking proper. In a dry pot, add in about 1.5 cooking spoon of palm oil, and once the oil heats up, add some chopped onions. Stir and then allow it to fry for about a minute or two before scooping in the egusi paste. Next, cover and allow it to fry for about 7 to 10 minutes before stirring and breaking the lumps as you wish to. After which I'll go in with the cooked meat, some crayfish, pepper. I'm using yellow pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some seasoning cubes, and water. Then stir together again, cover and allow to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here we have our egusi cooking very well and looking so yummy already. But we're not done yet. I'll just stir it to check how it is. Then I have some dry fish, washed dry fish. I'll add that into the soup. The soup is looking thick to me, and remember we are still going to add vegetables, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. This consistency is better so that when we add our okra and the leafy vegetable, it's not going to be too thick. I also tested for salt and other things. I need to add it a bit of salt and the pepper. So I just added salt and pepper to it. Am I talking too much? Pardon me. I'll cover the pot again, allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes before we go ahead and add our okra to it. See how delicious the soup is looking. Will you be trying this combo? Let me know in the comment section. You just need to try it. If you're a lover of egusi soup and the okra soup, combine the two together and you will see how delicious it is. For leafy vegetables, I'll be using uziza and the ugu, but I'll add uziza first. So I just added uziza into the soup. Stir it, cover to cook for just a minute or less than a minute before we add the ugu. Look at that bubbling there. Is the okra and the egusi fighting for supremacy. But don't worry, none is more important than the other. So I go ahead and add our ugu, stir it, and then put off the gas. Our soup is ready. Our okra and egusi soup is ready. I also have a egusi and ogbono soup combo in my channel here. I'll leave the link in the description. You can also check in my channel under soup, Nigerian soup recipes for it. And here our egusi and okra soup combo is ready and delicious. All that is left now is to serve and enjoy. I'll be enjoying this with gari fufu, that is eba. What will you be enjoying this with? Let me know also. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.